A historic moment may soon take place in Europe, as Pope Leo XIV is expected to make a remarkable visit to the Principality of Monaco. According to announcements from the Vatican, the Holy Father is considering a one-day apostolic journey to the small but influential nation at the end of March if confirmed. The visit would become one of the earliest international trips of his pontificate, and it could mark the first papal visit to Monaco in modern history. Vatican News 1. The possible journey follows an invitation from Albert II, Prince of Monaco, who met with Pope Leo XIV at the Vatican earlier this year. During that meeting, both leaders discussed the long-standing relationship between the Catholic Church and Monaco, as well as global concerns such as peace, humanitarian cooperation, and the dignity of the human person. Vatican News. Monaco, though one of the smallest countries in the world, holds a unique place in the Catholic tradition. The Constitution of the Principality recognizes Catholicism as the state religion, and the spiritual heritage of the Church remains deeply connected to the nation's identity and institutions. Because of this history, a papal visit would carry powerful symbolic meaning for the country and for Catholics across Europe. Palais Princier. The visit is expected to take place on March 28th, and it would be a brief but significant apostolic journey lasting only one day. Despite its short duration, the event would be considered historic. It would demonstrate the ongoing dialogue between the Holy See and European nations, and it would highlight the importance of faith in public life and cultural identity. The Catholic Register. During the visit, Pope Leo XIV would likely meet with the royal family of Monaco, including Prince Albert II and Princess Charlene. The Holy Father may also meet local church leaders and representatives of civil society. Such encounters typically include moments of prayer, official addresses, and discussions about shared values such as peace, environmental care, and the protection of human dignity. Observers also see the potential trip as part of the Pope's broader vision for international outreach. Since the beginning of his pontificate, Pope Leo XIV has emphasized dialogue between nations, cooperation among cultures, and the spiritual mission of the Church in an increasingly complex world. The Monaco visit would also come before several other international journeys expected in the coming months, including major pastoral trips to Africa and Spain. These travels demonstrate the Pope's desire to connect with Catholics across continents and to encourage unity within the global Church. For Monaco, the visit would represent a historic milestone and a moment of national significance for the Catholic world. It would be another opportunity to witness the Pope's mission of peace, dialogue, and hope.